I posted a video a while ago about my Glock. This is 11 years old, generation 2, and one of the problems I'm having with it right now is after shooting the slide will lock back, but when you throw in a fully topped off mag, it automatically sends the slide forward without touching anything. So what I've tried is replacing the slide catch. I've bought two new mags, and that hasn't done anything. On the video I posted, I had somebody respond that it could be your slide, and so I've really focused on that lately, and I believe that's what it is. And what's happening, I've noticed, is see how that slide catch is kind of right up there in the corner? Well, when I put a mag in and hit it a couple times, what happens is the slide catch starts to move down just like that. So instead of being at the top, it just barely hangs on, or it's about the middle. So I think what's happened is that the slide catch, instead of being on a 90-degree angle, I don't know originally, if maybe it's a little bit slanted, I don't know, but I think what it's done is it's kind of worn away over the 11 years like this, so a slide catch in there isn't going to catch it. So what I'm going to try and do is file it down a little bit today and see if I can't fix the problem. I'm not a gunsmith. I'm not an expert at this. I'm definitely a novice. So wish me luck. There's a close-up of the slide notch. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's kind of, you can kind of see it right there. See how it's kind of polished? So what I'm going to try and do is get a file and come up here and try to make that a little more of a 90-degree angle. I'll try that, see how that works. Now what I found earlier is actually if I hit it hard enough just on my hand, it would do it. There you go, see that? So watch this, if I just, so we'll try it a little bit more, I guess. Give this a shot and see what happens. Kind of see where I filed it away there. Create a little, oh, I don't know, half moon shape maybe. You can see there where I filed it. So I just tested it and I can't get it to go forward like I have before, so I think the issue is fixed. I guess the next question is going to be, is it going to be a lasting fix or is it a temporary fix? But just to show you, now you saw the video when I was out shooting out in the mountains of the problem. So I take a fully loaded magazine and throw it in. So here's a loaded magazine. Now no one freak out. I'm just got it pointed in the safe direction. And now when I slam it in there, it's not moving. Now see, it's come down a little bit, but it's sticking. Sorry, text message. Alright. Oh, didn't work. Alright, So there we go. There's the final. I think that's where I'm going to leave it. It's certainly being a lot more consistent. And every time I've tried to simulate it with an empty mag and then gone to a fully loaded, it's worked.